Hey everybody, Bronson here with Bright Star Auctions. We're here today with a 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT trim level package. This one has 143,000 miles, 3.6 liter engine. It is going to be selling at our August 30th Michiana equipment auction right here at our home base in Middlebury, Indiana. This having the SXT package on it, so it does have the power rear hatch, the power sliding doors on it. Seating for 7, of course Stow-n-Go seating in the back. Interior is in excellent condition on this. The exterior is in pretty good condition as well. Again, only a 2020 model. The check engine light is on. It does idle just a tick rough. That might be what it is, but I don't know for sure. Take a look at the inside on it. You have a full power interior, leather on the seats. It also has a Sirius XM radio. It does have reverse camera on it. Air conditioner works really good. Again, 143,000 miles. Give it a listen. It will be selling, like I said, no reserve on August 30th at our Michiana equipment auction right here in Middlebury, Indiana. If you have any questions, feel free to call 574-210-3721. We'd love to help you out, answer any questions you might have. Thanks for tuning in.